Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenter's. Today we're going to take a look at our license plate light for the 66 to 77 Broncos. Using the right parts is one of the most important parts of a quality restoration. Sometimes finding the correct lights and sockets can be difficult. Dennis Carpenter has authentically reproduced the license plate light assembly for the 66 to 77 Bronco. Our light includes the socket, bulb, frosted lens, and wiring, as well as the mounting plate for an easy, trouble-free installation. All the metal parts are zinc plated to protect it from the elements, and the wiring is rubber covered for a weather-tight seal. So if you're restoring a 66 to 77 Bronco, you can find this and many other quality restoration parts at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.